Oh, hello there. In this video, we're about to find out if I completely ruined my C5 Drift Corvette or if I've made it the best thing ever with all the modifications that I've done over the winter, engine mods. We got a wide body, we got a wrap. We're at Toronto Motorsports Park. I'm gonna sign in, I'm gonna get this thing off the trailer. Let's see, there's no in between. It's one of those two, that's it. A couple test hits. Hopefully you can hear me. I gotta relearn an entirely new car because I have so much more power now. So I'm gonna do a couple different corners, switch positions. I got John filming. I'm gonna get some sick shots. We're just gonna keep moving around. So let's go. First try. Let's see how this goes. Second gear, but that's okay, just learning. All right, we got a car. Woo! All right, let's move to another corner. I'm gonna attempt a full course link. We'll see if I still got it. I got a drone up in the air. So close. Alright. I should probably check my tire pressures. John wants a big fat drift, I'll give him I should definitely get in the third gear. Get a lot more smoke out of this thing. I had to give it to you on that one.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Nice shit.
Hell yeah.
Let's go.
First couple laps felt really good. By the way, I'm also here with my buddy Liam.
What up, guys?
Liam's testing his car. Look at this thing. He got a new livery on it. This thing absolutely rips. He's testing out a bunch of different stuff today. Different pressures. Oh yeah, don't worry about it. I'll show him the other side. Oh wow, look at this side. It's perfect. Fresh wrap. Yeah, so definitely watch Liam's video. He's gonna make his own video as well. And definitely subscribe to John's channel. John's documenting all this for us. John's the man, legend. So you keep testing, I'll keep testing. And hopefully the cars look like this by the end of the day.
Bunch of guys testing, dude.
That's
no
right.
No pressure. It's awesome. Thanks for having me out, dude.
Yeah, no
Appreciate
problem.
it.
No problem. Hell yeah! Woo!
Get the entry first, and the rest of the track comes easy.
Yeah, exactly. Makes sense. Thanks. All right, well, Liam's giving me tips because I'm trying the South course for the first time. I've never drifted this way, so we'll see how this goes. Ding. I'll take that. Yeah. This thing is just working lap after lap so far. I can't get this one. Time to take a cool down before I get too excited. This is feeling great. Woo! Oh man. Oh man. Thank you, Texas Speed. Thank you, Holly. Thank you, Race Ready Garage. Thank you, Ivan's Auto Service. Thank you, everyone who's been a part of this build. Thank you, John. Thank you, Liam. Woo! This feels great. Hell yeah, brother. Massive shout out to Toronto Motorsports Park. Best place to bring your car. Yes! That sounds so good. All right, we're trying some new stuff, different angles. Got a camera here, got a camera over here, got a camera on the outside, and got John. So we're gonna go now. take that. Something I have never tried is chasing Liam, which is basically a pro car. I don't think I'll be able to keep up, but he's raised his pressures to give me a chance. I've got Liam in the car, who I was just chasing, and he's going to offer me some of his tips because I think I'm doing all right, but I'm always willing to learn.
Yeah, Jacob's been killing it, and I don't think he needs much advice. We're just going to see if we can find a few small areas that can help him progress a little bit faster to the next level.
Anything you'd like to say?
No, I mean, honestly, I think you're doing all the right stuff. I don't see anything major, dude. Yeah. I don't see anything major. On the inside portion, the little straightaway, obviously you want to try and go a little wider and carry speed. Yep. And then take angle out, like a little shallow, to push forward and then throw it in. That's more of a matter of when you come out of that onto the mini straight in the middle. Yeah. You don't want to just like throw the wheel and catch it. Yeah. That's one where you kind of let the wheel transition, and then you got to feed it a bit because you're trying to push out, right?
That time I definitely messed up. My other ones have been better than that. I was at full lock there.
Okay.
Yeah. Normally I'm not at full lock there. Alright, I'm good with that.
That was almost it, dude.
We'll pull it in and see if everything's alright.
Yeah.
All right, so first test, 10 out of 10, maybe 11 out of 10. This car did not disappoint. Everything works perfectly. Everything we did, it looks great out there. I can't wait to actually see the footage, even though you guys have already seen it. Shout out John, shout out Liam, everybody for joining today. Everybody who's helping film and everything. This car is amazing. Super happy with it. See you guys in the next video. It'll probably be a drift video because I don't think I have to do anything to this anymore. So ready to go. Thanks for watching. See you at the next one. Let me know what you think. Also, tandems. Watch this video. And John.